Have you ever heard of the phrase the devil's triangle? Well, that is the Bermuda Triangle. Today, I'll tell you about the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle, its mysterious incidents, and how researchers solve these mysteries using different methodologies. First, where does this mysterious triangle located? It is located on the Atlantic Ocean between Florida, the Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. That gives its triangular shape, and it ranges between 500,000 to 1.5 million square miles. It is a pretty big area. Since 1918, a lot of planes, ships, and boats mysteriously disappeared without a trace, and people had different opinions about these mysterious disappearances. Some say it is due to UFOs, some say it's the devil's act, but science has its own discoveries and proofs, and we will explore as we go through the slides. First, let's start with its history. The history of the Bermuda Triangle started with Christopher Columbus. He was the first to discover this mysterious area. According to the A&E television network, in 1492, on his first voyage to the New World, which is America now, as he was sailing through the area, he said he saw a great flame of fire crushed into the sea. And he also mentioned on his writings that he saw a straight light that appeared in the distance after a few weeks of his first encounter. He also stated that his compass readings were erratic. Among several disappearances of airplanes and boats and ships, Flight 19 was the first major mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. David Stampler, the staff of tropical courses at Miami University, wrote on his article, on December 5, 1945, 5 American torpedo bombers flew out of Fort Lauderdale Naval Air Station. At about 2 p.m. in the afternoon, after 4 hours of their departure, all 5 airplanes, including 14 crewmen, disappeared, and one plane sent out to rescue, but after 20 minutes of flying, the 6th plane also vanished forever. The latest tragedy happened in 2015 when the cargo ship El Faro disappeared in the mysterious area. The ship was traveling from Florida to Puerto Rico, and it disappeared from the radar on October 1st, 2015. And after 30 days of searching, on October 31st of 2015, they found the ship at the bottom of the ocean, which was sad. After several incidents happened, a team of experts set out to find some answers. So a pilot took off from St. Thomas to Miami. Then he reported his location as he is off of Miami, which indicates that his compass reading was wrong. He then reported that he is losing his engine and going down 150 feet altitude, on 150 feet altitude, which is pretty steep. He said he disoriented in clouds, but Miami Tower confirmed that there was no cloud and all the area was clear. But suddenly, he never landed. Glenn Gordon, a Bermuda Triangle expert interviewed a survivor of this mysterious phenomenon. His name is Bruce Guerin. He said he was flying near the area. He noticed his compass rotate counterclockwise by itself, which indicates that the compass started giving erratic message. And then he said suddenly he noticed everything outside turned gray and he couldn't even see the sky and everything looks fuzzy. He then said that that's when he thought of the electric fog. So scientists use this survival testimony to prove the mystery is related to some electronic fog, which is grayish cloud of electromagnetic fields. So using this testimony, the scientists flew out to the area using new technology that they can measure the energy levels, and found out that the area has a high level of energy. A team of American scientists from the University of Colorado analyzed satellite weather images and noted a series of unusual hexagonal clouds in the area. And the meteorologist's theory said that those clouds might act like the real air bombs. Those air bombs can cause deadly blasts of air which can easily exceed 170 miles per hour. This force of wind can generate a wave more than 45 feet in length, and with this kind of wave, no ship or no plane can withstand the strength of the waves. Using this phenomenon, the experts conclude that it is not UFOs, it is not the devil act, but electromagnetic force is so huge in that area that might cause the mystery to happen. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy my presentation. Thank you for watching.